Hi guys, back with another Chinese special watch. Today we've got a Cadisen automatic, a dress style watch. I was looking for a alternative to the Seiko 5. The Seiko 5 being the entry level watch, I wanted something I could wear every day. Looks quite smart, but it's automatic as well. And this ticks all the boxes. This is GEARBEST. Got it for £38. Day date complication. Sapphire crystal. Comes with a rather shiny, polished bracelet, but with a butterfly clasp. Cadisen on the bracelet. Solid end links. And in there we have the Seiko NH35, which is actually Seiko's better movement, better than the movements used in the Seiko 5 in my opinion. We have a 50-meter water resistant, which is pretty good for a dress watch. Now this watch is hacking, as you can see. Pull it out and it stops. Hand winding. And I've put it on a timer. I've been using a watch app to work out how quick or slow it is. And it's coming in at +1, which is absolutely amazing. Even some of my higher value watches do not do that. So for £38, I wasn't expecting as much as that. The only problem is it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. I keep having to dust it off, wipe it off. There's a slight sunburst style effect. This is the white version, although it's clearly not white, it's silver. But if you were to buy one, this is the one that's stated white. It's the Cadisen C1, where is it? C1032. So that's the Cadisen C1032. Show you it on my wrist. There we go. Looks pretty smart. Could wear that every day dressing. I have actually taken it, I know I'm not supposed to, taken it swimming. Went to the swimming pool the other day. No problem at all. So that 50-meter water resistant, I'm pretty safe to say, well, I'm confident in saying that this watch is 50 meters. Flat crystal on the top, not too thick. But there we go. Cadisen's automatic dress watch.